Hello everyone. Let us learn a few basics of MS PowerPoint. First, we will learn about the interface of PowerPoint. Let us explore the interface of MS PowerPoint. We have a ribbon. This complete area which I am highlighting is called the ribbon. In the ribbon, you have different tabs like File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Transitions tab, etc. In each of the tabs, you have different groups, and each of the groups you have different icons using which you can edit your presentation. So, this complete white area is called the slide. This is called a slide. On this slide, you can insert your text, pictures, shapes, etc. This is where you create your presentation. You have a slides pane on the left side of your interface. This shows the preview of all the slides you work on. This is the slide numbers that shows the number of slides, and you have here the notes pane that where you can write down the notes of your presentation. You have different presentation views, and this small icon here is slideshow button where you can show your presentations, and this is the zoom where using which you can zoom your presentation.
Now I am going to give you few basic instructions on how to create an effective presentation. So, this is my first slide as soon as you open PowerPoint. As the slide shows, click to add title and then click to add subtitle. So, we can add our title and subtitle of our presentation here. Just move your mouse pointer here and then click it. And now you are ready to start your presentation. So type the title of your presentation like presentation 1. Okay, this is my first presentation. So I would like to give the title as this is my first slide. Okay, for our reference, I'm naming it as presentation 1, and this is my first slide as we are working on slide number 1. Now observe the slides pane. This area is called the slides pane. Since we have only one slide now in our presentation, this only one slide is being shown here. Now I want to work on the second slide. How do I get the second slide? You have a new slide option in the home tab. So click on the new slide. I can directly click on the top icon, or you can click the drop down menu and choose a layout of your choice. Mostly you can use title slide, title and content, section header, title only. All these are called predefined layouts which help us to create a presentation easily. If you want, you can choose a blank presentation. So for now, I'll be choosing a title slide. Okay, this is called the title slide. Now my second slide is selected. If I select the first slide, observe the screen. If I click on the first slide, my first slide is displayed here. If I click on the second slide is displayed here. So I'll be writing here, welcome to my presentation. Okay, this is my second title, and here I'll be writing this is my second slide. So this is for our reference. So when I click on the first slide, my first slide is displayed, and when I click on the second slide, my second slide is displayed. In this way, we are going to add new slides into your presentation using this new slide option in the home tab. You can either choose a layout of your choice or directly click on the blank presentation and add and design your own layout. And we also have to copy the slides. See, when you on the slides pane, you right click, select any slide like this and right click. You get cut, copy, paste, new slide, duplicate slide, all these different options. We can work on it. So now I want to copy the second slide completely. So I'll click on copy and again right click on the empty area of the slides pane and click on paste. So my new slide is third slide has displayed. So the second slide and the third slide both are same. That is, the second slide is copied into the third slide. We also have another option to copy our slides. Just right click and then click on duplicate slide. This duplicates the slide. So you can click here. Yes, directly you can duplicate, directly you can copy your slides. So I'll rename this as this is my third slide. You can click here and write that's third slide, and on the fourth slide I'll just rename it as this is my fourth slide. So this is my first slide, this is my second slide, this is my third slide, and this is my fourth slide. This is how you work on the slides. You also have other options here, hide slide. This is called the hide slide. This hides the slide but doesn't delete it. Okay, the slide will not be shown in your presentation, but that will be there. Okay, you can also delete a slide. How do you delete a slide? Right click and click on delete slide. In this way, you can delete a slide. Did you understand the difference between uh, hide slide and delete slide? Hide slide, the slide is present in the presentation, but it is not being shown. But in the delete slide, that slide is completely removed from our presentation. These are all the basic points to work on PowerPoint. Now observe the slides here. I have slides from 1 to 5. So now I want to show all the slides as a slideshow view. How do I do that? Just observe the mouse. Do you have a slideshow button here? Here, this is called the slideshow button. So, when you click on the slideshow button, the slideshow appears for us from the current slide. Just have a look at it. I'm clicking the slideshow button here. Yes. So, this is how my presentation looks like. This is my first slide. We don't have all the other editing icons present showing when you're displaying your presentation as a show. When you click on the enter key or space bar or an arrow mark, you get directed to the next slide. This is my second slide. This is my third slide. This is my fourth slide. And this is my fifth slide. And then again, this is the end of the slideshow. And now press escape. Yes, now you will be directed back again to the main screen. This is how you present your presentation as a slideshow. We also have other views like slide sorter view, and you have here the reading view. The slide sorter view shows all the slides in one screen. You can sort your slides here. That means you can rearrange your slides here. Just observe, select any slide like this, left click and drag. Did you observe? Now I am rearranging the slides like this. You can move your slides this way. Okay? Left click and drag. Left click and drag. In this way, you can sort your slides in the slide sorter view. And you have a reading view here. In this reading view, you can view your slides in a reading view. You can't edit anything here. You can just view them. Okay. And next, to sort your slides and to again get back to the main screen, you have a normal view here. When you click on this normal view, you get back to your main screen. You can also sort your slides this way in the slides view. Select your slide, left click and drag it up and down. In this way, you can sort your slides. So I'll rearrange them again. First slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide. Okay, this is how to rearrange the slides in your presentation.
Thank you. Do subscribe and like my videos.